Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to connect to another computer using TeamViewer. So let's start the video. Open TeamViewer on your PC and now from the left sidebar, click on Remote Support and here you will see the Connect option. Now you have to ask other person to share their password and ID. Then you have to enter your partner's ID here. Once you enter it, click on the connect button and then you have to enter the password. After that you can see and control their screen. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.